everybody from the people from the earth. I'm talking now about the name of the Uyghur people. I'm standing now here, the racist Chinese consulate, to bring my voice to all people. And the reason that I talk now is because the killing of the Uyghur people in East Turkestan, not Xinjiang, East Turkestan. They are occupied. China occupied the East Turkestan from 1949. Wait, God. All the Chinese people look, of course. From 1949, they occupied East Turkestan. They call it now Xinjiang, but it's not Xinjiang. It's East Turkestan. That's the real name. And this man here, he protests about now 3 years, but nobody hears him. He goes to the Dutch government. They're gonna look for his family. You see, there's the little children here. It's all his family here. 90 people of his family. He don't have contact. He don't know where they are. He know where they are. They are in concentration camps, but he can reach them. So we want to bring our voice to all the world, to all the people, to help these people. What's going on the earth? Look, these people. Look the 3 million people that killed now in East Turkestan. 3 million people that killed now in East Turkestan. We are sleeping. We are sleeping. One man here go dead. Everybody screams. Everybody goes on television in the news. 3 million people is dead now in East Turkestan. We must do something. We must do something about it. And sorry for my English. I'm trying to do my best to translate. But I want to bring my voice for this man and for all the Uyghur people, because I feel responsible for what's going to happen to these people. 3 million people already dead. They let marriage Chinese men with East Turkestan woman because they don't want to have a population of East Turkestan people anymore. They want to make all East Turkestan, they call it Xinjiang now, all Chinese. But what you gonna do with these people? That is genocide. This genocide, we live in 2020 and now genocide. Come on, wake up world, and help these people. Help these people. Like me, I'm standing here now in my own to help this man.